Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am right now at Hollywood Beach, Florida, USA before a major hurricane. You can see the winds and high ocean wave. We're going to talk about a topic that's been making headlines. Today, tropical storm hurricane Helene in Florida, which is also going hit in Atlanta, Georgia. So, let's talk in and understand why hurricanes like this occur. Hurricanes are a result of a complex interaction between the ocean and the atmosphere. When warm, moist air from the ocean rises, it cools and condenses, forming clouds. As these clouds continue to rise, they eventually reach a point where the air is too cold to hold the moisture, and the water vapor condenses into rain. This process is called convection, and it's what drives the formation of hurricanes. When a tropical storm develops over warm ocean waters, the warm, moist air rises and cools, forming a rotating storm system. If the storm system continues to strengthen and organize, it can become a hurricane. A hurricane forms over warm ocean waters, typically 26.5 degrees Celsius, 80 degrees Fahrenheit or higher, where heat and moisture rise into the atmosphere. As warm, moist air ascends, it cools, condenses into clouds, and releases latent heat, fueling the storm. Winds converge and spiral due to the Coriolis effect, forming a rotating system. With low wind shear and continued heat, the storm intensifies, potentially becoming a powerful hurricane. The key factor in the development of hurricanes is the interaction between the ocean and the atmosphere. The ocean provides the heat and moisture, while the atmosphere provides the necessary conditions for the storm to form and intensify. So, why does Hurricane Helene occur in Florida? Florida is located in a region of the Atlantic Ocean known as the Caribbean Sea, which is a hotspot for hurricane activity. The warm, moist air from the ocean rises and cools, forming clouds and storm systems. If the conditions are right, these storms can develop into hurricanes. Florida's location and climate make it particularly vulnerable to hurricanes. The state is surrounded by warm ocean waters, and its flat terrain and low elevation make it easy for hurricanes to make landfall. Additionally, the state's population and infrastructure are concentrated along the coast, making it even more vulnerable to the impacts of hurricanes. In conclusion, hurricanes like Tropical Storm Hurricane Helene in Florida are a result of the complex interaction between the ocean and the atmosphere. The warm, moist air from the ocean rises and cools, forming clouds and storm systems. If the conditions are right, these storms can develop into hurricanes. Florida's location and climate make it particularly vulnerable to hurricanes, so it's important to be prepared and stay informed during hurricane season. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this information helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative and engaging content. Stay safe and stay informed.